Hey friends, welcome to another episode of Smart Drive. This is your host Vishwajit. In today's episode, we are going to troubleshoot a main important aspect of media player and the key detection system inside Maruti Suzuki CIAZ or any related cars available with the provider of Suzuki cars. So, when I faced this issue, I switched on the car, but the media player Suzuki logo didn't appeared and the key logo didn't went off. By pressing and long pressing the media on off button, media player didn't responded and here we have a key logo. So after repeated checking, I found that there might be issue with the fuses. So let's troubleshoot this thing and make it clear. So friends, if you don't know the place where the fuse box is located, you need to watch our special video on that. So we are currently below the steering wheel control panel fuse box. So now here we have different code fuses, but we need to focus on ACC code fuses only. So here we have three different fuses with 15, 15 and 10 ampere respectively. So I found out 15 ampere fuse blown out. So I took it out and as you can clearly see the 15 ampere blue colored micro fuse is blown out. To see it clearly we can use sunlight. As you can clearly see it is disconnected and that's why the media player won't switch on. For the backup process we have 6 different colored different ampere fuses with the vehicle. So right now 15 ampere was already used by me and there was nothing in the slot of 15 ampere fuse. So in case you want the same or in case you have the same situation, you can purchase it with the given link. So right now the 15 is not available, so we need to go nearby 15. On the higher side we have 20, so we will plug 20 ampere fuse and use it for our this troubleshooting purpose. So as I have said, this fuse plugger here I have pulled out and will use the same to install in the inner fuse box. So let's do it. We are here. I have matched the code and the location. So I have pressed it and confirmed it twice. Please note the loose fuse can make a big trouble. So please make sure that you are pressing it well. And now we have successfully installed our fuse. Let's check. And as you can clearly see, we have solved the issue. Media player is on once again and there is no key logo blinking or switched on in the panel. So this was the quick troubleshooting for the media player switched off and the key logo available switched on here. So in case you have any doubts regarding this, so please comment below. In case you are not that much technical or elderly viewers or the ladies viewers, you can directly go in the video description and call the helpline for roadside assistance service. Your insurance policy also covers this. So in case you have that number, you can dial up for that as well in the emergencies. So friends, this was the quick video regarding the fuse replacement and the troubleshooting for media player and the key logo sign. So this was the video. So thanks for watching. This is Vishwajit signing off from Smart Drive. This is a special note for every car owner. The fuse was installed and the fuse plugger needs to get installed properly at its place after the work is done. So I have made this 15 ampere fuse once again here. Please note this is an electronic component, so water should not get inside here. So you have to place the cap very carefully. There is one knob over here, you have to keep it right and then push it till you feel the click. Thanks for watching.